Hello, my name is Ivan from Cisco Tech. This video shows how to troubleshoot Punt Keepalive failures in iOS XE. The Punt path in Cisco iOS XE based systems is an internal data path. This is the path where communication between control plane and data plane takes place. This internal path is used to transmit control plane packets for the router consumption. When this path fails, you can see this type of error in the log. No punt keep alive. The keep alive messages are messages that monitor the health of the path between the QFP and the RP. This path is critical for the system to operate. If these keep alives are not received within 5 minutes, you can see a critical log indicating that device will reload. System resets in order to recover from this condition. In the event of Punt keep alive failures and resets due to it, the system creates a file called punt debug log, which collects relevant data to understand the behavior at issue time. Ensure that the system is up to date with the latest Cisco iOS XE software release for the punt debug log file to be generated. This file contains these commands executed multiple times in order to understand different counters. Note that within the punt debug log, you focus on error indicators and large quantity of packets that can cause the issue. The Linux Shared Memory Punt Interface (LSMPI) is a component that is used to transmit packets and messages from forwarding processor to routing processor. The punt policer is a control plane protection mechanism that allows the system to protect and police control plane packets. With the command show platform software punt-policer, you can see the conform and the drop packets due to this policer. The command show platform software infrastructure punt shows counter data about punt causes. This data is relevant to understand what can be impacting the punt keep alive path. In the case that the punt debug log does not provide enough data to diagnose the problem, EM scripting can be used to get more data points at issue time. Note that the commands contained within the script vary depending on the platform where it is configured. This script allows you to understand the LSMPI resources and the punt state during issue time. The EM script includes the command debug platform hardware QFP active data path crash dump that generates the QFP core dump needed by developer team and TAC. If filing a case with Cisco TAC, please provide the core file generated by the script. The script is available in public article Troubleshoot Punt Keepalive failures in Cisco iOS XE. The link is documented in the description of this video. If a packet trace is needed to understand packets causing the issue, this amendment can be added to the script. First, set up the packet trace configuration, which can be done out of the EM script. Then, start and stop it with these actions within the EM script before generating the crash dump. Then, include these actions as well to dump the data in a separate file before invoking the crash dump generation. This additional modification to the script allows you to understand what type of packets can be causing the issue. Packet trace documentation can be found at Troubleshoot with the iOS XE datapath packet trace feature article. A practical example, a CSR AKV is constantly rebooting. After extracting the system report, you can observe a crash dump and an IOSD core file indicating punt keep alive related functions within the stack trace. Note that for the stack trace decoding, tag assistance is required. However, the crash info file is in clear text, and you can see the symptoms as no punt keep alive failures. The process impacted is punt inject keep alive process. The system must trigger an abort signal when the keep alive reaches the 300 seconds threshold mark. Checking the punt debug log file. The punt debug log reveals some transmit failures within the command show platform software infrastructure LSMPI driver. This is a generic failure. This counter increases within multiple samples taken in the file. The EM script was provided to get more data about the resources, punt data path, and other infrastructure-related commands. By checking the LSMPI traffic punt counters, it was found that the EIGRP control plane packets are remarkable. These are packets identified as for us packets. Later on, it was found that the hypervisor was oversubscribed, impacting the underlying compute resources. The CSR AKV was deployed in another hypervisor, and this helped to mitigate the problem. Code enhancement for automatic QFP core file generation was introduced starting Cisco IOS XE 17-15 versions for this type of issue. Thanks for watching.